with our suke. Ayan, purchase ulit si ma'am ng kanyang 16 Pro Max. Now 1 terabyte na. Kasi hindi na kasya yung ano. Fresh from ano pa po kayo?
From Bohol.
Yes, nice. Then going back na sila. The other one ako. Today. Yan, congratulations! Yan, thank you po again for trusting C-Square Telecom. Bye-bye po. Ano pong message niya?
Kung naghahanap kayo ng phone na mura, I got this phone also from them last year. And I've been searching for affordable iPhone or resellers in Bohol, and like prices were like 110 to 115.
Dito
so
po.
I found them on Instagram and they are legit. May mga,
yan, para iwas scam po tayo, no?
Yes, may mga celebrity po sila na buyers.
Yes.
So, kaya, repeat customer.
Okay, thank you po
Marami
again.
pang pa-freebies.
Bye-bye po.
Sige.